Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my food cart. We are making Afghani Qorma today. I already crisped 3 small onions in 1 cup of oil to add in Qorma. They are crisp like this. Chicken, we are using 3 pounds, half cup extra oil we will add, and also cayenne pepper will be added. First, I will let you know about the spices I am using, inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. To make Afghani Qorma, here I have yogurt 2 cups without lumps, green cardamom 6, bay leaves 3, turmeric half teaspoon, garlic paste 2 tablespoons, ginger paste 1 tablespoon, cumin seed 1 teaspoon, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, cloves 1 teaspoon, black pepper 1 teaspoon, salt 1.5 teaspoon, juice of 1 lemon, Kewra water 2 tablespoons, and I am using this one, and water 2 cups. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I have already crisped onions in this pot. Now I am adding half cup of oil and chicken in it. Keep the flame low because oil is very hot. Now add whole spices, green cardamom, bay leaves, black pepper, cumin seed, and cloves. Mix them very well and fry chicken with these spices for 4 minutes. The color of chicken is turned to light brown. Now add salt, red chili powder, turmeric, cayenne pepper, ginger paste, garlic paste, mix them and fry them at high flame for another 4 minutes. Keep the flame high. Now add yogurt in it. Mix it for 2 minutes. Now add half crisp onions. When it comes to boiling point, then add 2 cups of water. If you want to make it thin, then you can add 1 more cup. Now cover it and let it cook on low flame for 40 minutes. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Afghani Qorma is cooking for 40 minutes. Chicken becomes soft and it's giving very tempting smell, mashallah. Qorma is becoming thick. Now I will add remaining crisp onions in it. Lemon juice and Kewra water. Mix them together. See how yummy it looks, mashallah. Now keep the lid on for 5 minutes at low flame. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I turn off the flame after 5 minutes and Afghani Qorma is ready. Alhamdulillah. Let's have a closer look in a bowl now, inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah. Afghani Qorma is very yummy. Please do try to make it and my other recipes. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, my food cart, and follow me on Instagram. Allah Hafiz.